So we're back at the farm today and we've got Dad's loader ready. We got me bobcat ready. We're gonna start cleaning up the place a little bit. Like this is actually, this is the new driveway here. That's gonna loop round and go to the shed door. So we're gonna resurface this. We have got some rock getting delivered in next week. So we're just gonna level it out. The 40-foot container down there, we're gonna drag all the way down for the minute, and then we'll resurface this whole driveway here, and then we'll drag the container back to probably about here. Because in the future we're going to put a container here, a container where that red Vitara is, and a big roof, so all like the old tractor, bobcat and everything can go under it. And then we got all this rock down here, which that'll be in another video, but all this rock is going to go to the road that goes to the beach. So what we'll do is we'll grab all that rock and I'm going to put it in the back of my tipper there, and just to get rid of it, or even all that scrap metal will go in another bin, and we'll get a scrap guy out to cash that in and get rid of it. But and then we got all these dirt piles up here, which we got to level out the ground all around this side of the shed. Obviously because this is a big driveway and there's our drain there, it's probably hard to tell on camera, so we're going to have to just put a bit of 1 in 100 fall through here, just so the water runs off and not back to the shed. And then all out here we've got these big dirt piles, which is going to level all the ground out here and make it a bit nicer to drive on. So Dad's just in the container now working out what's got to be moved, and we'll just hook it up to the tractor and drag her away. Someone might steal it. Right, the old girl's loaded. Now we'll just try and start it. Because I went a bit premature on cutting the hole in the roof inside, lucky it's the old cab because she's a bit delicious on the inside. The end result of this truck is won't be using it, she'll be getting scrapped. That'll be what's going to go. Oh, let's see if we can pull start it. Hope your chain's rated. Huh? Hope your chain's rated. Need four-wheel drive. Oh. Better go unhook him. Bloody hell, it's a beast. This tyre was like flat on the rim. Oh, there's their motors. Look at them, they're buried.
Said that, yeah.
What gear was that in? First?
Nah.
Huh.
It was in to do it. Third, second.
Oh, third, second high.
First.
I suppose you'd be bloody.
We'd still be driving into it.
This tractor's actually got 64 forward gears and a stupid amount of reverse gears, so that's what we mean by 2 third low, high. But have we?
You sure it was diesel everywhere? You saw
Yeah,
it?
yeah. Oh look, it's piston everywhere.
Yeah. It's not leaking fuel now, is it? That's oil.
No, it's full on the gauge. So she's done a hose. We think it's this one right here. Oh yeah, I can see it. She's just split apart. Because on the other side, it's got two new hoses on it. So I'd say this side's, well, they don't look new now, but she's done a good job at spraying everything in oil. Where's the other end of it? That sucks, brand new oil as well. Oh, well, we'll have to pull it off and get another one made. Yeah. I think down there. Go.
We'll have to move the lever that makes it go up. If the bobcat's heavy enough to.
That is the up. Hang on, let me try this one. No, that is right.
Try the up or the down.
Yeah, that's right.
You might need to put a jack between the wheel and the. Yeah, we've got a block of wood ready.
Yeah, this one's right here.
Now it's going to pull out quick, quick, quick. Stand up on the edge. Can you get it?
Can you go up one more?
No, hang on. Leave it there for a minute.
Oh, it's so close too. You're not on the pipe, are you?
No.
Yeah, that'll do that.
Get another pipe, another bit of wood. Top on the bottom of it.
Oh, no, too far. There, that'll do. Yeah. So those hoses were fun to get off. Now I'm going to do both the lift cylinder hoses, but the leak was coming out of here. Like, you can't physically see a split in it, but Dad assures me it was coming out of here. So I'll take them to the hydraulic joint on Monday and get them sorted out for next time. But besides that, the machine went well. My last Bobcat I had was all hand controls. It didn't have the feet controls like this one, so it will take a little bit to get used to, but we didn't really get done what I wanted to get done. I wanted to scrape out all this, level all the dirt over there, but I suppose these things happen, so thanks for watching.